Hey there, it's Kelsey from Sugar Flowers by Kelsey Cakes coming at you with some important info, especially for you planners and perfectionists out there. Today we are diving into my delicate but durable shipping promise because let's face it, you deserve sugar flowers that arrive as perfect as you envisioned them. I have shipped thousands of sugar flowers over the last 10 years, and I like to think that I've turned my process of packaging into a science. So, the delicate but durable shipping promise: if your flowers arrive damaged because of something that happened during shipping and delivery, I will either repair, replace, or refund your damaged flowers. So, here's the deal: I strongly recommend that you order your flowers way in advance. The farther in advance, the better, because that gives me enough time to make your flowers, and we can create some buffer so that if anything happens, there's time to fix it. While I can't control the post office, I do everything I can do to ensure that your flowers arrive in flawless condition. So I've got layers of packaging, fragile stickers everywhere, an obsessive attention to detail where sometimes I spend more time boxing up the orders than I do making the flowers, which is not great for my bottom line or my sanity, but it does pretty good as far as my successful delivery rate with no damage. But I get it, weddings are chaotic, and I want to relieve as much pressure and stress off of you as I possibly can because I know from firsthand experience how stressful weddings can be. If your timing is tight, consider ordering a few extra flowers in case there's no turnaround time to send out replacements. If we do have enough time, 2 weeks before the wedding or more, I'll be able to send you replacement flowers. If it's very small damage, I can walk you through virtually how to repair them or hide the damage. Sometimes the flowers arrive completely shattered, and it's so heartbreaking, and I never expect you to try and piece those back together before your event. On the rare occasion that your flowers do take a hit during shipping, I've got your back. Just send me photos of the damage and the packaging. Fill out the claims form and we will sort it out. You'll get your replacement, your refund, or your repair, or some combination thereof, because everybody's order is different, everybody's situation is different. I want to do what works best for you, and that's my promise. Listen, I get it. Sugar flowers are a big expense. They're a luxury item. You don't need them. You could put fresh flowers on your cake. You could put silk flowers on your cake. You could put no flowers on your cake. And honestly, that's up to you and your design choices and your vibe. But if you are going to buy sugar flowers, I hope that this video has made you a little bit more confident in trusting me to help you design your dream wedding cake. My goal isn't just to deliver your flowers, it's to save you time, mental load, headaches. If something goes wrong, I'm here to fix it. That's my promise. If you've got any more questions, head over to my blog. I'll leave links in the description. You can always email me or we can schedule a video call. And thank you for watching. Do all of the subscribing. Okay, thanks. Bye.